Hi, good evening all. Welcome to our channel Bull Run Trading. We will start chapter number 3. We will discuss on stock market timings. Okay. Trading timings are pre-open market and continuous market and closing market and post-closing market. Here the pre-open market will be 9 to 9:15 a.m. So we cannot buy in these timings. Continuous market 9:15 to 3:30 you can trade, you can do intraday, you can make any positions, futures, whatever it may be. And then closing will be 3:30 to 3:40. Here also you cannot trade any stocks. And then post closing is market hours. We can also not going to trade any stocks here. And then we will discuss on world market timings like Japan, Australia, South Korea, Taiwan, whatever, so and so. And here Japan market will be open at 5:30 a.m. and then stocks will close up to 11:30. So our tradings are fluctuated in between the timings also, due to they are having some plus or minus, market falling, whatever is also impact on the Indian market. You have to note all the timings. At 1 o'clock you can see 1:30 Switzerland, Spain, all European markets will be open at 1 o'clock around. So this is also impact in our trading. So be careful on the specific trading timings. You have to analyze. European market will be open on green, red, then falling. You have to change your positions. And then tax. Here we will discuss on tax benefits in trading sections. In what you called tax benefits, having tax benefits on SIP yesterday we discussed on systematic investment plan. So you can save on your tax and also get higher returns on your investment under section 18C of the Income Tax Act 1961, investment of equity linked saving scheme. So you can get tax benefit in SIP, but you will get short and low income and benefits here. So our LIC having some different kind of stocks they brought already. ITC, they are having ITC, SBI and ONGC, L&T. They invested in some of the stocks. So why I'm saying your LIC, if you pay LIC amount, with the amount they are buying some open market stocks, and they get returns and give it to you. You have to check it, and how to buy and how to sell the stocks first will go faster, and we will start trading as earlier. Here name of the stocks already in first chapter I told you. BSE and SE, we can trade on BSE and NSE. Both are different prices are there. Type of trades: cash trading, intraday, margin is also deep and briefly I already told you in chapter number 2. So quantity also I have said in second chapter. Here price and limit price and market price. First you start trading. When you choose a stock, you have to check it. Are you choosing a limit price or market price? Market price will be shares brought on current market price. You have to know. Limit price, manually enter a buying price. If you give a 10 rupees, when market will reach on 10 rupees, automatically it will brought by system. Market order means sales brought at current market value. You need to give any price here. Here we start check in angel broking profile. So here on the top, bull is seeing on top. Already I told you limit and market price. You have to buy, you can buy and you can sell here. And here whatever portfolio are seeing in the right side and left side, limit and market, delivery, margin and intraday they are showing. So angel broking is the best site. You can open a demat account in angel broking. I will give you a link in description box. You can click and open your account on free. So please kindly do the click on link. Here some charts are showing 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock, 12:30, half an hour chart here. Some of the persons are getting buy position and up in sell position, and again ye get 1 o'clock and buy position and 1:30. This is our stocks in a day. They are trading in a day. Some giving some example. You can do multiple buys and multiple sells in a day. The system will be allowed. And here strictly you have to maintain the stop loss and stop limit order and stop lot order. When you start buying, you have to choose your stop loss at bottom level. You can say stop loss, bearable loss. It can give, it also says bearable loss. So this is also profile of angel broking. So here we can say some broker is getting some charges, giving some charges. On delivery, angel broking giving 0, okay, no charges. And intraday, currency, commodity and future and options. F&O means future and options, 20 rupees per order, and other charges also, hidden charges also there. So and upstock also flat brokerage of 20 rupees per order. So these are charges. Okay friends, please click on below link to open a demat account. I will start trading and I will show you some of the stocks and penny stocks. Right now fundamentally the good stocks, whatever I will tell you from tomorrow. So be prepared. The minimum amount will be 10 to 50, 10 to 1000 to 200,000 to 2000, 3000, whatever. So please build your wealth first. We can start trading. Please click on below link and open your demat account, please. Thank you all.